Now we are going to do the first type of adjective, that is adjective of quality. The adjective of quality answers the question of what kind? Of what kind? All you need to remember to find out what type of adjective that is. All you have to remember, adjectives of quality answers the question of what kind. So the first part, kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. So we are doing kinds of adjective. And the first kind we are doing is the first type. What is the first type? Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. And that's what we are going to do. The first part, adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality answers the question of what kind. So if you can remember the question of what kind. Now, adjectives of quality refers to the quality or state of a noun. Adjectives, what does it do? It describes a noun. Now, in this kind of adjective of quality, it refers to the quality or state of a noun. So, in adjectives of quality, what do you have to remember? We have to remember adjectives of quality refers to the quality or state of the noun. Quality or state of a noun. Adjectives of quality refers to the quality or state of the noun. Okay, now I'll give you some examples for us to understand. Baber was a brave king. Baber was a brave king. It was a cloudy day. It was cloudy. It was a cloudy day. Ranjit is a handsome lad. Ranjit is a handsome lad. John is an honest boy. John is an honest boy. Calcutta is a big city. Calcutta is a big city. Amitabh Bachchan is a great actor. Amitabh Bachchan is a great actor. Is a great actor. Now let's look at the sentences I've given you. We are doing the first kind of adjective, that is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality refers to the quality or state of the noun. First let's look at the nouns here. Baber, then they, Ranchit, John, Calcutta, Amitabh Bachchan. They refer to the state or quality. What kind? What's kind? Okay? What state? Now, we said the adjective of quality answers the question of what kind? If we can remember the question. What is the question? Of what kind? What kind? Answers the question. Oh, what kind? Now, Baber was a brave king. Of what kind of a king? Brave king. Okay? Answers the question of what kind? Baber was a brave. So, the adjective refers to the quality or state of the noun Baber. What kind? Brave. Now, it was a day. Of what kind of a day? Cloudy day. Ranjit is a lad. Of what kind of lad? Handsome lad. John is a boy. Of what kind of a boy? Is an honest boy. Okay? Adjective of quality. What does it do? Refers the quality or state of the noun. Look at the noun, John. What kind of honest? Now, Calcutta is a city. Of what kind of city? A big city. Of what kind? Big. Amitabh Bachchan is an actor. Of what kind of an actor? A great actor. Okay? So these words, brave, cloudy, handsome, honest, big, great, they all refer to the quality or state of the noun. So what do we say? These are adjectives of quality. What are those words we have? Brave. Then we have cloudy. Then we have handsome. Honest, big, great. All these 6 words, they answer the question of what kind. They answer the question of what kind of the noun. Okay? So, what is an adjective? It is a word that describes, okay, that used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Now, in adjective, we have 6 different kinds. The first of its kind is adjective of quality. It refers to the quality or the state of the noun we are talking about. Now, to find out the adjectives of quality, the question. Answered is of what kind of a person, of what kind of a day, what kind of a thing, of what kind if it answers, then it is an adjective of quality. Baber was a brave king. Brave. What kind? Brave. It was a cloudy day. What kind of day? Cloudy. Janjit is a handsome lad. What kind of lad? Handsome lad. John is an honest boy. What kind of boy? An honest boy. Calcutta is a city. What kind of city? A big city. And Amitabh Bachchan is an actor. What kind of an actor? He is a great actor. So now we know how to identify adjectives of quality which answers the question of what kind.